Hey, it's Justine, and surprise, surprise, it is iPhone season, and to kick it off, we've got the iPhone 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. And what's great is both of these phones are basically exactly the same except for battery life. So if you are looking to get a smaller display this year, this is definitely the year to do it. I'm even contemplating getting a smaller one, but then I start thinking about it. I edit a lot on my phone. I'm probably just gonna get the Max. So here they are. Let's unbox the natural titanium 16 Pro first. Here it is. I mean, honestly, it looks very similar to the previous version. The real defining feature though is this, the new camera capture button. Here it is, natural titanium. This color is so pretty. Like, I actually forgot how great of a finish this is because I have a case on my phone. I haven't seen this all year. I did have a clear case on it for a while, but still, just seeing this, like a naked iPhone, so risque. And inside the box, we've got a braided USB-C cable in this new packaging design. I like it. And that's really all that's in the box, except for this new paperwork design. Who actually reads this? A little notification saying that we no longer have actual SIMs. eSIM all the way. Natural titanium, looking so good. Next up, we've got the white titanium. Oh. Okay, this looks fresh. I'm so used to like this darker color, which alone by itself looks very, very white. And then we see this one. It's like a fresh winter snow. So here's both devices, the Pro Max and the Pro. Now we need some cases for these. So now these are review devices, and these are the cases that Apple sent me to check out for review. I don't think that this would have been a color that I would have chose for myself, but it's kind of an interesting color. I really do like neon yellow, so it is kind of in that family. And then for the regular 16 Pro, we've got this stone gray case, which looks really nice. It's gonna look great on that natural titanium. Okay, all right. No, still looks the same. It's a pretty good accurate representation of the color. Let's see how it looks on the phone. Not the right way. I do like vibrant colors, so we're gonna give it a shot. Now, the cool thing is the camera capture button. This will transfer through to the capture button, so you can already feel the click, and it'll allow you to have full access to the camera controls. Ooh, this is nice. Oh yeah. That looks so good on the natural titanium. So here they both are. And with the camera capture button right there built into the case. We've also got a fine woven wallet. Let's check this out. Ooh, that just went flying. Oh, this is a really nice color. Actually kind of looks good on the yellow. Kind of like it. Looks okay on the titanium. But this is an aesthetic. Next, we've got a MagSafe charger, and this is the 2-meter version, so it's extra long. I'm gonna be able to charge all the way across the room now. Wow. So here's all of the new iPhones lined up in their cases. I'm really into this color palette, actually. I need to take a picture of this because I really like it. I guess I have a picture right here. Whatever. And here they all are next to each other without their cases. Also really like this color aesthetic. And here they are, the new iPhone 16 Pros. We've got the Pro Max and the Pro, and these are Apple's top of the line models, and they've been completely designed from the ground up for Apple Intelligence. Now, as we saw at WWDC earlier this year, the Apple Intelligence would be Apple's next big flagship software update, and it is deeply integrated into this iPhone, making it smarter, more responsive, and tailored towards your personal needs. For example, Apple Intelligence is going to be powering new writing tools across iOS, helping you rewrite, proofread, and summarize text in any app. We're going to be getting an enhanced Siri with more resilient request handling and personal context. So even if you stumble over your words, Siri will understand you. And on top of that, Apple Intelligence ensures more privacy by processing much of the data on device and expanding it to server-side operations through private cloud compute. Everything just feels faster and more intuitive because this phone is built to work with the intelligence that adapts to you. First up, let's talk about the size. The iPhone 16 Pro has a 6.3-inch display, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes in at a massive 6.9 inches. This is the biggest display ever on an iPhone. Now, both models have the thinnest borders we've ever seen, so the display feels seamless and immersive, which is perfect for gaming, movies, or just mindlessly scrolling through TikTok until your eyes fall out. Not speaking from experience or anything. These devices are also supposed to have the best battery life ever on an iPhone, so that is TBD because the way that I use a phone, if I can make it all day, that's impressive.
These speakers are fire.
Together and face the rising darkness.
Wow, bruh, that's freaking lit. Let me just cremate this guard real quick.
So these are powered by the new A18 Pro chip, which is built to specifically power Apple Intelligence. And thanks to a 17% increase in memory bandwidth, these models run 13% faster than the A17 Pro. So if you're gaming, editing videos, scrolling on TikTok, or working with high demanding apps, these phones should be able to handle it all. Plus, with the 6-core GPU, ray tracing is twice as fast, making graphics look incredibly realistic. This power fuels everything from everyday tasks to advanced machine learning models, making your phone smarter and more responsive to your needs. Like, I need to scroll TikTok faster. One of my favorite features that is actually on both the 16 Pro and the regular 16 is the new camera control. This is definitely a game changer for people who are always taking photos and making videos. So content creators, take notice. This gives you instant access to your camera with just a click. Whether you're trying to capture a quick photo or shoot a high quality video, camera control ensures that you're always ready to capture the moment. This little switch too is so satisfying to press. Like, I just keep pushing it. It's almost the same as the power button, but the power button is raised, so the camera capture button it's just different. I can't wait for you to try it. The thing that I love so much about the camera capture button, especially as a creator, is sometimes I'm fumbling for my camera and I just can't get to it fast enough. So the fact that you literally can just push this button, camera opens up, you can take photos, take videos instantly, is gonna save me, well, it's gonna save me a lot of time, but also it's gonna ensure that you don't miss the shot. And it's great because when you're inside of the camera app, it simplifies everything. So you can smoothly switch between lenses from ultra wide to telephoto without needing to adjust your grip or swipe through the menus. It also works really well whether you're holding it horizontal or vertical. With just a light press or a slide of your finger, you can fine tune your camera settings to capture the perfect shot. Now, cameras is where it's all about with the Pro devices, and we've got 7 lenses, including a 48 megapixel fusion camera, a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the 5x telephoto camera, which offers Apple's longest optical zoom yet. It really is almost like having a professional camera in your pocket. Oh wait, you do. It's an iPhone. Now, it doesn't stop there because the latest generation of photographic styles feature allows you to truly make photography your own. Whether you prefer warm tones or cooler looks or something a little more dramatic, these photographic styles let you apply different moods and aesthetic choices while preserving natural skin tones. And I also like that Apple preserves all of the actual color data. So if you decide that you don't want to use one of these styles later on, you can just simply remove it and go back to how it naturally would be. You can easily adjust tone and color intensity with simple sliders, which is giving you complete control without any complicated settings. If you love color grading like I do, this is so fun and it's really simple. Now, this is where it's my time to shine because we need to dive into the video features. The iPhone 16 Pro is so powerful when it comes to this department. You can now shoot in 4K at 120 frames a second in Dolby Vision, which makes slow motion shots incredibly smooth and super dramatic. It's perfect for sports, action, or any movement that you want to relive in this stunning detail. And if you're really into video editing, the ProRes and log encoding options gives you such incredible flexibility for color grading and post-production work. I'm so glad they put this feature right inside of the camera app. You can easily change the speed of your slow-mo videos right here inside of the little toggle. So you can slow it down, speed it up for the perfect cinematic effect, and you can view it right there on the spot. With these USB 3 speeds, you can record ProRes video directly to an external solid-state drive and transfer files up to 10 gigabits a second. We love that. Another feature coming to the iPhone 16, the entire lineup, is audio mix. This is so impressive. This lets you adjust the sound in your videos after you've recorded them. Now with audio mix, this is basically using spatial audio to be able to isolate sounds. Now it gives you a bunch of different options and they all sound differently. So I'm gonna do a quick little test here. There's some background noise of the air conditioner. Nathan's gonna talk a little bit in front of the camera and we're gonna see how it works. So here you go. So once you're inside of Audio Mix, it gives you a bunch of different options. So standard is basically what you shoot in the camera. You'll have in-frame, studio, and cinematic. There's also a little scroll down here at the bottom, so you can adjust how much of this is affected inside of your video. So here's what it sounds like standard.
The frame looks pretty good.
We can hear Nathan. Now we're gonna go back. We're gonna do in frame to see what it sounds like. How's the frame look? Does it look good? Yeah. Wow, okay. I'm gonna turn it up even more to see if it can remove you. But you could barely hear him at all. What it sounds like. How's the frame look? Does it look good? Couldn't hear him at all when I turned it all the way up. That's wild. How's the frame look? Does it look good?
The frame looks pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, all right. How's the frame look? Does it look good? Yeah. Okay, all right. How's the frame look? Does it look good?
Frame looks pretty good. The
Yeah.
back end is mine.
Okay, all right. Does the frame look? Does it look good?
Frame looks pretty good. The
Yeah.
back end is mine.
Okay, all right. This is pretty cool. And the best part about it is it's only going to get better with software updates. These Pro models feel super premium, as they should, and the ceramic shield on the front makes them 2 times stronger than any other smartphone glass. These feel very similar to the iPhone 15s. The finishes are stunning. We've got black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and this all new desert titanium, which is going to be my personal phone of choice. They're also water and dust resistant, so you don't have to worry about spills or drops. And let's talk about USB-C. The iPhone 16 Pro continues to use USB-C, but this year we're seeing some amazing new features. You can use your phone to charge other devices like your Apple Watch or AirPods, which is super handy when you're on the go and you forgot to charge your Apple Watch, which I've also done many times. Now, speaking of charging, the MagSafe charger now delivers up to 25 watts of wireless charging when paired with a 30-watt power adapter or higher. That means you can get up to a 50% charge in about 30 minutes. Now, the battery life on the 16 Pro Max is supposed to get us up to 33 hours of video playback, while the 16 Pro will give you up to 27 hours. Obviously, safety features on here, we do have the satellite SOS, so if you happen to find yourself stranded, you are able to get roadside assistance, you are able to contact emergency services, and now you can actually live stream if there's an incident. You can also iMessage or SMS through satellite, which is something new, and all of those messages are end-to-end encrypted, so you don't have to worry about privacy. Now, this isn't new, but crash detection is also available in these devices, so if you ever are in a serious car accident, the iPhone 16 Pro models can automatically detect the crash and call emergency services for you. Hopefully that's a feature that we will never have to test out. So for pricing, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at $999 for the 128GB model, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1199 for 128 gigs. And that, my friends, is a wrap on the iPhone 16 Pros. These phones are so much fun, and I am so looking forward to doing a follow-up video with any questions that you guys might have. If you haven't already, I also did a video on the iPhone 16, so go check that out. And if you want to check out any other videos, I'll put them here on the end screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I post another, because it's Apple season, friends. You know there will be more. See you later. Bye.